Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DSS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you think about where the price was towards the beginning of the day, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed, any rational person is say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. However, that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to best illustrate this, I want to scrunch up the chart here a little bit more. And that area is down here at, let's see, $1.35. Why is $1.35 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.35. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, comes down here, bounces around. So basically repeats the history that it did right there. So bounces around and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying make progress as $1.35. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key one going into next week, right up there looking like around $1.75. You can see there's some price history right there, and then that's where the late day bounce got rejected from. So $1.75, public enemy number one. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.